So under the leadership of Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, and I was Finance Minister, nothing to do with information technology, but I then was tasked this job to make sure that another 5 years are not consumed, and we roll out unless we would have rolled out 4G, the facilities and the developments we are seeing today would not have been possible, obviously. So in a very transparent manner, we rolled out 4G auctions, and I still owe thanks to those who took part in that transparent process globally. And 4G technology was introduced post-auction 2014. So I'm happy to see. So I have a connect in this industry and this business. As Finance Minister, the Oversight Committee, which worked from A to Z. So today we are seeing its dividends and in a much bigger form, and the compliments to the ministry, the ministries of the past, 2013, 18 particularly, who also helped to work very hard. We remember we had Ms. Anusha Rahman, she's now Senator, and she took a lot of initiative and hard work, and now it's been building on that entire effort and has become really a praiseworthy point for us to celebrate. Today marks a historic milestone, as I said, in that journey, as we celebrate the invaluable partnership between Google and Pakistan. From the launch of Pakistan's first Chromebook assembly line to Google's announcement of establishing a local presence in Pakistan, and to the agreement between the government of Pakistan and Google to upskill our youth. This is a defining moment for our country's digital transformation.